Hello everyone, and then welcome to this lesson on sorting and filtering. So in this lesson we want to be able to like go through our data, do some sorting and filtering. Okay. So there's a difference between sorting and then filtering. Okay. So let's say I want to sort from alphabetically, so from the highest to the lowest. Okay. Basically all I can do is to just I can convert my document, okay, into, let me just, I don't want this, should I delete this? Okay, let's just select this. So with all of these selected, I can just right click, and I'm going to click create filter. Okay, so you can see now we have this filtering option here. Okay, so I can go through my documents or this particular document to organize my files or to get insights about my data. So here, if I click here, let's say I want to filter by, let's do this filter by color. So let's say fill color, let's say orange. So you can see these are the two colors. Okay, these values or cells here have, or this shows this particular color. So these colors have these particular values, okay, for the score, grade, age, and name. So I'm filtering through my documents to understand the, so let's say the name that, or the individuals that like this color or who are assigned to this color. Okay, so let's try something else. Let's see, filter by, let's try another color. So let's see red. Okay, so only Grace likes red. Okay, you can always undo them. So what filtering does, is filtering actually hides the data. It's not, the data isn't deleted, it hides them. Okay. Let's try sorting. So let's say we want to sort. So sorting is going to help us do some. I think I deleted. Let me just select. Let's do our filtering create filter. Okay, so you can see the icon is even here. You can always click here to remove filter or add filter. Okay, so you can use the data menu here to also create filter. Okay, so you have the option here, then data. Okay. So now here we want to sort from, let's say we want the grade. Okay, so we want to sort alphabetically. So I can click on this icon here. Okay, this icon here. Then let's say I want from, I want to sort from Z to A. So from the lowest to the highest, or from, yeah. So you can see it's sorting A to F. Okay, then I can do that, let's say A to Z. So from A to Z, okay. You can do the same to this. So from, so here we have 100 as the highest. Let's say we want 30 first. So we go here. Let's say from, let's see, sorry, C to Z. So yeah, so you can see from 10, 30, 60 to the highest. Okay, so that's how sorting works. So filtering actually hides the data. Okay, and then sorting doesn't hide the data. Okay, it rearranges your data. Okay, rearranges your data, whilst filtering hides some of the data. Let's see what else we can do here. So basically, you've learned that sorting actually, all your data is shown. Okay, unlike filtering actually hides your data. Okay, just that it's not shown. Okay, so it just reveals certain values based on whatever you've selected. You can also have some options here. So if I click on this and I click OK, so it's hiding all the A's. Okay, I've filtered all the A's out and then showing me the rest of the data. Okay, and do same to, let's say, F. Click OK. So it's taking all the F out and then showing me the remaining data. Okay, so I can just undo. Okay, so that's it about sorting, filtering, freezing, and what else did we do? Let me just rename this. Let's say first class. Okay, so that's it about sorting and filtering. Let's look at what we'll be doing next. So in the next lesson, we are not trying, we are going to work on this. Okay, so when I click on this, you can see this value, this bar increases or reduces. Okay, then this percentage also increases and decreases. Okay. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.